The magic sponge has rapid deterioration issue, poor cleaning ability, and is not durable. Today, I'll show you 3 steps to help you get high-quality magic sponge. Many people watched the cleaning video of this magic sponge and immediately placed orders, only to find it not very effective. By learning these 3 tricks, you will know how to purchase high-quality magic sponges. First and foremost, you need to look at the material description. In the previous videos, we mentioned that the core material of a magic sponge is melamine resin, and this is the key reason why magic sponges can effectively remove stains. If the selling page only says magic sponge without mentioning the raw material, you should be more cautious. The sponges produced by our own factory are all clearly labeled with the raw materials, and each batch is tested to ensure the purity of the material. The second tip, observe the density. The common densities of magic sponges are 8 density and 16 density. The higher the density, the more durable it is. For short-term removal of stubborn stains, an 8 density sponge will suffice. If you want something more durable, it is recommended to choose a high-density magic sponge. If you want to purchase a durable nano sponge online, remember to check the product specifications. Showing real photos of the product for reference is also a good approach. The high-density sponge does not easily deform. If many people in the reviews say it collapses as soon as you press it, then the density is definitely not up to standard. The third point is to look at the real feedback in the user reviews. If many people say things like it can't remove stains or it breaks after just one use, then this one should not be purchased. The genuine magic sponge relies on the principle of physical adsorption and can easily remove stubborn stains. Finally, let's summarize. When purchasing online magic sponges, first check if the raw materials are clearly labeled, then look at the density parameters, and finally read through the real user reviews. By following these steps, you can basically purchase reliable nano sponges of good quality. In fact, when people select magic sponges, it's mainly because they want something that is easy to use, durable, and safe. Enda-melaminefoamsponge factory has been producing sponges for many years and has always insisted on using high-quality raw materials. Each piece of sponge must pass pressure resistance and water absorption tests before it can be shipped. If you need to purchase in bulk or if you want to customize specific sized magic sponges, you can contact us. Next time, we will show you how to choose a reliable manufacturer of magic sponges. If you are interested, please follow us. Or if you have any other questions, you can leave a message in the comments section. We will answer them as soon as possible for you.